Yeah, yeah. Rags to rival, we moving. Rags to rival, we moving. From nothing to everywhere we go. New city, new story to show. Backlight, dreams heavy, let's roll.
Most people visit Faro and completely miss the best part of it. This is Montenegro, a quiet neighborhood right next to Faro in the Algarve, southern Portugal. Almost nobody talks about it, and that's exactly why you need to see it. By the end of this walk, you will understand why this might be the most honest place in the entire Algarve. Not the postcards, not the tourist brochures, not the crowded beaches everyone books months in advance. This is a different side of Faro, and one most travelers never find. Montenegro sits quietly beside the city, just outside the reach of the tourist routes. No resort crowds, no guided tour buses, just streets, sunlight, and the slow rhythm of real local life. Walking here feels completely different. No pressure, no rush, just calm. You start noticing things you'd normally walk past. The architecture, the empty roads, the sound of birds in the morning, the way the light hits the buildings at that perfect angle. People moving through their day, unhurried, unbothered, and something shifts. Because this is what travel can be when you stop chasing landmarks and start actually looking. Montenegro isn't trending. You won't find it on a top 10 Algarve list. It doesn't have a famous beach or a famous cave or famous anything. A neighborhood where life moves slowly. What it is something rarer, an atmosphere that feels local, untouched, and real. The best travel experiences don't always happen where everyone told you to go. Sometimes they happen in places nobody mentioned at all. And when you find one of those places, you remember it differently. Not because it was spectacular, because it was honest. So if you're visiting Faro, and you should be, don't just stay in the center. Don't just do the Ria Formosa boat trip and the old town and the airport transfer. Walk a little further. Take a side street. Find Montenegro. Hidden inside the Algarve, there are still corners like this waiting for you. This is Montenegro, another side of Faro, and maybe the side worth remembering most. If this is your first time here, welcome to Rags to Travel. On this channel, we explore travel, culture, airports, cities, and real experiences from around the world. Now, let's continue the journey. Thanks for walking through Montenegro with me. Until the next journey, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop discovering the world around you. Take your time, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere of Montenegro with me as we explore one of Portugal's gateways to the beautiful Algarve region.
came from places nobody noticed, with dreams too big for my pocket. But every road kept calling my name, every border whispered, keep going. Through lonely nights and crowded cities, mountains, oceans, unfamiliar streets, I found pieces of myself hidden around the world. Some travel for pictures, some travel for escape, but some of us travel to discover who we truly are. Every passport stamp, every sunrise in a new land, every stranger that became family changed me forever. So if you are dreaming, don't stop now. Your story may begin with one flight, one road, one brave decision. Subscribe, travel, explore, become more